Got a local train coming in. Yeah, 5436, 5462. Got a big load on him today. Sometimes this guy will have a short load and stuff like that. Here comes the end. No box cars on him. Sometimes he'll have a box car, some box cars, but not today. Wow, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video and you're big into trains, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video like this, you'll be notified. But today's date is 10/5/23. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.